you think it's time for the legislature to act now or never? Do you think it's time for the legislature to provide permanent property tax relief now or never? Do you think it's time for the legislature to pass this broad-based business activity tax now or never?
On the opening day of the special session, Texas Realtors were at the state capitol in force. We made a statement, thousands of us, loud and clear. Texas Realtors work together as a group to support public policies that benefit homeowners. 30 days later, Texas homeowners and business owners had the assurance of meaningful property tax relief and a better way of funding public schools. Governor Rick Perry and former political opponent John Sharp, one a Republican, the other a Democrat, both believe that the historic property tax reform achieved on behalf of all Texans in 2006 could not have happened without the unprecedented effort of the Texas Association of Realtors. Lower property taxes certainly will help the real estate market, offsetting rising interest rates and helping more first-time homebuyers achieve the American dream of homeownership. Our schools will benefit from a more stable funding source, and businesses will have a fairer system in which to operate. Thanks to your hard work and commitment, the Texas Association of Realtors has emerged as the most influential association in the state. We are now at the policy-making table, and lawmakers expect us to maintain our high level of involvement. And we're doing just that. In addition to working for property tax relief, Texas Realtors have also been working throughout 2006 on a number of interim legislative task forces. These include agency, appraisal district procedures, deceptive trade practice, broker liability, financial services, land use and development, regulatory affairs, state housing, technology, and transportation and mobility. Recommendations from these realtor-led task forces will help shape public policy during the 2007 regular legislative session and for years to come. One thing's for sure, Texas Realtors care deeply. We care about our state, our economy, and our school children. We care enough to get involved and be part of the long-term solution for Texas. We're working with the future in mind. That's why being involved in the political process is so important. And nothing is more important than investing in TreePack. By supporting political candidates who share our views on private property rights and the free enterprise system, we not only protect our livelihood, we help make Texas a better place.
The Texas Real Estate Political Action Committee, because of your contributions, has become the #1 PAC in the state of Texas. The report card isn't just the amount of money that you've contributed, which is substantial. It's also the effect that you've had on public policy in the state of Texas. Because of your involvement, we were able to pass historic legislation in the most recent special session that reduced property taxes for all property owners in the state of Texas by $6.9 billion over the next 3 years, and replace that lost revenue with a broad-based, low-rate business activity tax. Both the Governor of Texas and the Speaker of the House have shared with me that those bills would not have passed without the support of the Texas Association of Realtors. So for that I say thanks. But also I need to ask for your help because the fight isn't over. During the upcoming regular session, we're going to have to deal with a number of important issues. Number one, we have to make sure that the property tax reductions that the legislature passed in the most recent special session become permanent, that all property owners see meaningful property tax reductions for generations to come. We need to engage in that debate. Additionally, there's no single issue that's more important to the future of the state of Texas than public education. And I know the leaders of our state are going to be looking to the Texas Association of Realtors to provide strong leadership in this debate. You can't imagine how much you're needed, both in terms of your financial contributions, but also in terms of your time and energy. And I know we can count on you. Thanks so much.